The festive season is a stressful time for most people, but as a business owner, the effects of it are amplified. You're stressing about your customers, about deadlines, about other businesses closing, about the year that you had, the stock that you have left, the orders that need to be processed, the new year, and so much more. This time of year can be so joyful, but the holiday blues seem to sneak up on us at times. This doesn't mean that we have to let it consume us though. There are a few things that can be done about it. 1. Take it day by day. Leading up to the festive season and the new year does not have to be stressful, even if there's a lot going on. You know that you will finish what you need to and that things will work out, so do a little each day, and before you know it, those dreadful tasks that you were so worried about will be done and dusted. Secondly, take a day off. Now, don't curse us for saying this, but a breakaway could be good. Spend 1 hour or even a few hours just focusing on you and what you enjoy. Get away from the madness and just focus on you. When you have those horrible feelings, it's difficult to think straight and to focus on what needs to be done. But after a day of de-stressing, you can come back better than ever and tackle what needs to be tackled. Thirdly, call a friend. Often, you just need to let it out. Taking time for yourself and slowing down is amazing, but nothing eases you more than a call with a good friend or even a family member. Don't underestimate how much speaking to another person can do for you. Then, rely on your team. If you're fortunate enough to have a team, lean on them for support, because ultimately, that is what they're there for. We can guarantee you that your team will be more than happy to help take some pressure off. Lastly, fake it till you make it. If you can't do any of the points mentioned above, remember that the festive season doesn't last forever. Put on a smile, take a few deep breaths, and do the best job that you can. And as soon as this jolly time of the year comes, it also goes, and so does the stress of it. We know that it's easy to say and tough to do, but remember that you always deserve to take a break. Just because you are a business owner doesn't mean that you have to be constantly stressed. You are allowed to unwind and take a step back. Enjoy the holidays for what it is and allow yourself a few days or a few hours off. We hope that these tips have been useful to you and that your holiday is a great one.